Mr. President, there's someone at the door.
I can see that the door's made of glass, dude. Open it. Good day, gentlemen.
Hello, Mr. President.
Hello.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, sir. Take a seat, please. So what are you discussing about?
We're discussing about the earthquake.
That's gonna come soon. Oh, I see.
So, as you know, geologists have predicted that there could be an earthquake striking soon in this year.
I know.
So, what are we gonna do to prepare for this?
I think the citizens of the United States should stay calm first until the earthquake is really going to happen. They really know what's going to happen. And then we should put warnings, like maybe posters on buildings saying the earthquake is coming.
How about, like in Japan, they have a device that shows there's an earthquake coming.
Yes, we can do that. We have the Apple, right? So they could be technology too.
But not everyone has an Apple iPhone.
We can give free.
Well, I
For
suggest
emergencies.
we should announce the whole United States to evacuate.
I suggest we should like announce it on the TV, like announce it everywhere. I agree with all of your solutions, but I don't think.
What?
I got warning.
Earthquake! Oh, it's quick!
Oh my god!
On the outside of town.
Earthquake! Earthquake! Evacuate now! No! Evacuate! Let's go! Let's go! What's doing? Let's go. You feel that? Oh! Oh my god, so far, are you okay? Oh!